All right, we are on the first mile of the Wyoming backcountry discovery route here in Baggs, Wyoming. You can tell because there's the Cowboy Inn, which is for sale if you're interested. And I'm going to see where I can go to post this, because right now I don't even have any cell phone signal, which I'm pretty sure most of Wyoming is going to be like that. But as I get time, as I find Wi-Fi, I'll make a quick video of what's going on with me, and I'll post it. And just so everybody knows, this is happening live. Today's the 20, whatever Saturday is, 26, 25? I don't even know what day it is. Anyways, yeah, so hopefully this is the first of many, unless I get absolutely no Wi-Fi out here, in which case you'll never see this and you'll never know.